Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Dinesh Tatia and this is the part 2 of movie recommendation system. Okay, hope you have gone through the part 1 of movie recommendation system. In that we have understand the data cleaning part, and we have also seen the summary part, which we have made the different cards on the. First of all, we have measured the measures. On the basis of that, we have made the different cards and some analysis, some graphical visualization in comparison with average rating, with the revenue and the top 50 movies on the basis of that. And like that, we have made the number of movies on the basis of specific rating, means how many movies are there at 6.9 rating. So there are 23 movies at which get the rating of 6.9. So like that, there are 43 movies with 7 ratings. So like that, from our data set which we have, from our data set we have 43 movies with the rating of 7. So like that, we have understand the analysis, we have understand the data in the first part. Now we will understand the genre. So I have already cleared what is genre. It's a type of movie that we basically it's a adventure type movie or a sci-fi movie or action type movie. That is the genre. Okay. So now we will do some analysis and understand the relation between this data. So we will see that how many movies are made on basis of specific genre. So you can see with I will use this uh, cluster bar chart. So in that you can see that there is some cardinality is showing, because each genre get the same number of movies, total number of movies 838. So I think there is some issue in the relation between this genre and the measures. So what it is, we have to look into it. Okay, because it is giving the same result for every genre. Uh, okay, so we will go to the model relation. We will see the relationship. Okay, this is the cardinality. Hmm, cardinality. Okay, okay. Hmm. It's a cardinality relation with the rank and but here there is something with the genre. Okay, in the genre there are here it is in the genre. Okay, okay. So what it is that we have a single type of cross filter direction. Okay. Now we will go to the property. Here in the property, which we can change the cardinality. We can change the cross filter direction. Make it to the both side. Okay. Make it to the both side, and the same thing we can do for here in the actors also, because the relationship goes in a both way. Uh, Many to one or one to many. Okay, so like this way the relationship is going. So uh, so now when we move, now see that you can see the actual result, that there are how many movies? There are total 419 movies on which made on the basis with the genre of drama, and the same thing for action. It is 277 movies, 250 for comedy. So like that, there are number of movies based on specific genre. Okay, now give some data labels. Let's do it. Okay, now we have given the data label, and go to the summary part and do the format tabling. You can select any of the table and click the format printer painter. Go to here, and here we can get the same result. Okay, just a second. Okay. Uh, So we can get the same, we can get the similar type of design which we have seen in the summary part with the gradient. Okay, so like this, we have made one more analysis. You can see that the maximum movies which has been made, 419 movies on drama, and 277 on action, comedy 250, adventure 244, thriller movies 148, on war it is 10, sports 15, music 15. So like this number of movies has been made in specific period of time. Okay, so now we can see that you can see the number of movies has been made. Let's see what is the rating with specific genre, means suppose these directors or producers are making specific movies more, means the more people are watching such type of movies more, that's why they are making such type of movies. Means drama, 419 movies on drama, means people like drama movies, that's why they are making. It's some marketing that people, whatever people like, they will make it, so that the more means they get the more benefit of from that movie. So let's see the rating. So for rating, what I will do, I will make a pie chart. I'll make a pie chart. Let's go for the average rating and for specific genre. So you can see that for specific genre, just a second. Let me remove the legend, and with the data labels, the percentage, no, category and data label. Okay, category and data label. Perfect. So you can see here the maximum average rating which we got on is on war. Okay, war movie got the 7.6 average rating. But how many movies has been made on war? Just 10. History has 7.33 movies, on 25 movies has been made. So for drama, how much rating we have got? So on drama, we got 7.05. So might be the reason that the maximum movies has been made in drama. So might be there are many movies which are not performing well or not good enough, so they get the less rating. So it's an average out. Okay, so this is the case, and in on war movie there are 10 only, and the maximum get the higher rating. So might be this is the reason for highest rating on the war. So there are number also is there, because the number of less number of movies and high rating will give the higher average rating. So might be this is the reason, looks like. And horror 6.29, and the movies made on basis of that it 87 movies. So generally people are not liking that such movies, like looks like. Action 6.66 and 277 movies also, might be this is the reason of the average out. Okay, so like this we can with the visualization we can understand what the data is showing to us. Okay, so now what else we need? We need the correct. Uh, yes. So what we need? We need the Metascore. Metascore on the basis of we will see the Metascore. Metascore remaining and average Metascore. So what we will do? We will do a copy paste of it. We will do one more analysis. Let me change it to the donut chart. In the donut chart, it's instead of average rating, or I will go for average Metascore. So in the Metascore, you can see the average Metascore is 59.57. Okay. Let me go to the data labels, and in the data labels, let me decrease the reduce this decimal point so that we can visualize properly. 1, 2. Okay. So you can see that 59.58 is the average Metascore which we are getting. But here you can see in this donut chart, 59.58 average Metascore is there, but it is giving the full means single color. Uh, okay, which we don't want. We want 59.58 only. So now how we can do it? So here we can do it by using one more measure we will make. So that another measures will be as a remaining Metascore. Rem Remaining Metascore. Okay, how much remaining? Remaining Metascore is 100 minus the average Metascore. Okay, this is my remaining Metascore. So now what we will do? We will put this remaining Metascore also here. So now you can see. So average remaining. Okay, so remaining Metascore is this one. Okay, now so now what will we do? Okay, so this is our so first of all we will put the remaining Metascore. The remaining Metascore is 40.42, and the average Metascore is this one, 50.59.58. Okay, Now if I will do this format here, okay, and let me change the color. Hope you have understand what I have done. It's 59.58 average metascore, and it was showing it with a one single color only. It's not representing me the way I want. So what I have done, I have done this. I have made one more measures called the remaining metascore. Okay, that is 40.42. So with this, we can see that the average metascore 59.8 is properly visible, means properly we can visualize it. Okay, so in this I will change, I need some change in the color. First of all, I will increase the spacing. Just a second, go to these 80. Yes, 80 is good. And let me give some more whitish color. Okay, and it's pinkish color, give the pink color. It looks good. I think some dark pink will be more or give some no, no, it's a black color. Hmm, this quite looking okay. Just a second, let me. Hmm, okay, so this is something good. Hmm, okay, so this is our remaining metascore. Okay, so now you can okay, now this is our two. So we can see that average metascore is 50.58. Okay. Now what we will do? We will take uh, some more analysis, and we will use what we will use. We will compare the. We will see the titles of the movie. How much average running time, average metascore, how many votes they have got. We will do the analysis on that also. So what I will do, I will use the title of the movie, okay, and the title of the movie with the average runtime and average metascore, what they have got, okay, and total votes, not the average vote, total votes are good, and we can see the we can get the revenue, how much revenue they are going to get. Okay, so you can see from here, let me change it here also, the background. Okay, with the background, I can say the background with this one, and improve the transparency. Hmm. No, the transparency to 70 for all. I will change it to transparency for the 70 to all. Okay. Hmm. And the border. Visual border. Yes. Corner 10. Perfect. Okay. Like this way we can do for here also. Uh, Now you can see that the average metascore is 59.5. We have already seen the average. Yeah, on an average, the runtime it's 114 minutes. It's a total. Why it is giving me total? It should not be total. Okay. Uh, if you can see on the basis of revenue. Okay. Now it is cool. So on the basis of revenue, if you can see, we have arranged in the descending order. Okay, you can directly select this drop down and you can arrange it in a descending order. So we can see the highest earning movie, the most earning movie, Star Wars Episode 7, The Force Awakens, has earned 936.63 million. Okay, Avatar is 760.51 million. Jurassic Park. So like that way, there are it's arranged in a descending order on the basis of revenue, which is very much important. Okay, so now you can see we can do one more thing, do some gaps so that it looks something. Okay, hope till now it is clear for you that how the things are going on. Okay, okay. Now, as we have done here, so now we are moving. Let me do in the total also. Uh, we'll do some creativity here. Okay. From the totals. For the totals, give it to the. It's a black color. Yeah, some background to the total. Okay, background is none. Give it to the dark blue. Yeah, dark blue, and with the dark blue, we can give it to the dark white. Sorry, white. Yeah, this is cool. Okay, or we can do some more darker side. Okay, now this is cool. Hmm. Okay, hope you have understood what is going on here. Okay, total is here. Yeah, and style persit it's default. Okay, grid is okay. Then what we have specific column cell elements. Totals we have changed already. Mm, hmm. Okay, correct. Okay. Hope it is okay now. And use the background color. Don't do the background color effects. Background color to here, and transparency is up to 80. And visual border, yes, with the round corner of 10. Okay. Hope it is clear now. Hmm. Now, we can change here also. Let's do some changes here also with the transparency, so that this will be clear in a one go, and goes to 18, 17. Hmm. Okay, so hope so now it is clear to you that how we are moving ahead. Okay, now genre is completed. Now we are moving ahead for other analysis, and which one is our other analysis? That is our actors. Okay, now make a new page, and new page for rename to actors, actor. Okay, so now we will. Okay, okay, let's select the war as it's automatically okay. So on the basis of war, we can see there are 10 movies, which are 10 movies. So it's 300, fantastic movie. Here, Rambo, Fury. Okay, so these 10 are the movies on the war. So all are very good movies. So worth to watch. Okay, let's add this average rating also, so that it will be more clear to us. Hmm. Let's go for that also. Why to upset average rating? Perfect. Can you change it here? Hmm. Okay, average rating. You can see the average rating here also. That's cool. So now, hope you have understand the genre. Okay, we will make now this one more page that is for the you can say that analysis phase. Let's give a name of testing area. Why I am giving you to the testing area name, I will get back to you for that. Okay, so now we can see, let's make some scatter plot. Okay, why we are making a scatter plot? Let me tell you why. Okay, we will see the average, the comparison between average metascore and average rating. Okay, on the basis of genre. So now you can see that for genre war, okay, Metascore is 66.3 and average rating is 7.6. On the similar basis, you can see the history. For history, average rating is 7.33, Metascore is 73.64. Okay, so like that we can do the very good analysis with the help of scatter plot. Okay, one more scatter plot we can draw, we can make. What how we can make on what basis? It's a basis of the runtime and rating. You can go for runtime and rating. Okay, so now you can see that as the that here uh, the runtime is 131.8 minute, but the average rating is 7.33, and here the runtime is 97.69 minute. It's an animation movie, so runtime is good, and average rating is 7.32. Okay, so we can see on the basis of genre that for animation the length of the movie is less, but the ratings are also pretty good. Okay. In the war also the average runtime is 116.7 minute and the rating is 7.6. So it's a very good analysis. We can see that now we can see here which one is horror. Horror is average is 6.29 only and the runtime is also less. And as we have seen that people are not showing that much of interest in the horror, or horror movie is also very difficult to get the good rating actually. Some Conjuring Part 1 was a decent movie. It's a very good movie, but Conjuring 2, it's not that much attracted. Uh, not been attract, not that much attractive as compared to this Conjuring 1. So horror movie is difficult to get this very good rating. Okay. Now one more we can one more analysis we can do is we can do this average run time instead of genre. We can do for actors also. Okay, for actors, it's become a cluster. Let's go for top 50 actors on the basis of revenue. For top 50 on the basis of revenue, apply filter. Okay, okay. So we can see that the rating of Leonardo DiCaprio, my favorite, its average runtime is 145 minutes and rating is 7.39. Okay, and here Ridley 136 minute average rating is 8.1. So like that we can compare on the basis of that also. And one more analysis we can do. What we can do, we can find out that the relation between the directors and the actors. Okay, so because there are many directors who choose specific actors, or the actors choose the specific director because of the chemistry that they are making, and gives the good result. Okay, so like that also the things are going on in the movies. So for that we will do some we will use some different chart. We will use this decomposition tree. Let me show you this also. It's a very powerful tool for visualization. So for that I will take total movies. So you can see that 838 is the total number of movies. Now it will split. Okay. So so now it will split on the basis of directors. See, I have selected the high value, means maximum number of movies who has made. So it's Ridley Scott who has made the 8 movies. So like that we can select that how many means they have 8 movies he has made. Here it's David Yates, Michael Bay. So like that there are different actors. I have selected on the basis of high to low. So we can go on the downward side for select for seeing for the different directors. Okay, suppose I have selected this Ridley Scott, so like that we can see this graph are also changing as they are interrelated to each other. Okay, now I will add actor also. Let's add some, let's add the actors also. Okay, so if you can see, so, or instead of that, we go for change the position. Hmm. Okay, so now you can see that for Ridley Scott, we have different actors of this. Okay, similarly for David Yales. Okay, so like that, we have different actors. We can remove this level also from here. Okay, uh, just add plus sign and it will come back. For Ridley Scott, for high to low, if you select the low, so you will see this one only, because we have gone from low to one, means minimum or maximum we can say. It's a minimum or maximum, we can say the high or low value. For David Yates also, we just select the plus sign and you will get the different actors name. Okay, so like this way, we have done the analysis of this movie recommendation system. You can add further more things, but this is what it is from my side as of now. uh, you can add several things in this also, but this is what I have made for you guys for practice. Let me do the format painting for all. Let me change the color. Legend markers. For the marker type, round is good. And the color, I'm spacing which color I should take from low to high. Can I take this gradient only to remain the same for everything, or we can do for we can go for this one also for this specific. This is pretty good. Okay, but here see, here it's 7.33, but it is dull. Mm-hmm. So I have to change it for the specific something. Total number of movies. Uh, do one thing. Let's not go for the category wise. Color by category. Remove everything and go for this one. I want this for specific this. I can say this page to go on the darker side. And similarly for this, and because I don't want this light color actually, to be frank, but sometimes we required for the analysis. Okay, so now hope it is clear to you that how we are going to make this. Now what we will do, we will uh, we will add some details. So this is our movie recommendation system. Hope you have liked this data analysis. Uh, yeah, you can give it the name as you want. Okay, so hope you have means understand that how the analysis are working and how the things are moving. So hope you have liked it, and please do like and subscribe my channel. I will bring you some more interesting projects on the basis of Power BI, and will soon give make a project on machine learning also, and on the EDA also. So do like and subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you guys. Bye.